Okay, we're going to look at problems 12, 13, and 14 on the Dependency Project Part 2 that have to do with this graph. I'm going to try to make this graph a little bit more understandable in a very short 5-minute video here. Okay, so this here, the black line, is the age dependency ratio. Now you should know what these ratios are. The age dependency is how many people are dependent on the 18 to 64-year-olds. And that includes everybody under 18 plus everybody over 65. The total numbers with the bottom number scaled to 100. So right here, let's look at the year 2055. The output for 2055 looks like about 72. So that means that in the year 2055, for every 100 people of working age, there'll be 72 people either under 18 and over 65 total. Now let's look at the blue line, which is, this is old age. Old age dependency ratio is people, all the people 65 and above, over all the people 18 to 64, the working age, with the bottom number scaled to 100. So let's look at our equation here. Whatever the starting year was, it was 25.7. So it was probably the starting year about here, maybe 2028. Whatever the starting year is, doesn't matter. That's what 25.7 for this data point here, meaning that for every 100 people of working age, there are 25.7 people 65 and above. And of course, it's the same thing here with the child dependency ratio, but this is everybody added up under 18 divided by the working age population, again with the bottom number scaled to 100. So let's look at the slope here for this old age one. And of course, the slope is the same calculations. It's about 1.7. So the total old age dependency ratio equals, I'm going to just round this to 1.7 times the number of years after a certain year, with the starting value of 25.7 rounded. So this here means that the dependency ratio for old age is increasing by 1.7 per 100 working age per year. So in other words, it's starting out at 25.7 per 100. And refer over to here, right? After 1 year, whatever the year was, it's going to increase by 1.7. So that per 100. So that means that there's going to be 27.4 people 65 and over for every 100 people age 18 to 64. So the slope, which is right here, means that that is what the ratio is increasing by, the output, what the ratio is increasing by per 100 people in the working age class per year. Notice this one is decreasing. This is the childhood ratio. So the ratio, this 37.14, is decreasing by 0.2633 per year. That has to do with low birth rates. So they're all the same slope, and they're not the same number, but they're the same idea. The output is the dependency ratio. These are per 100. And the input is the year. and the starting value is here. And the increase is this many old people per 100 working age increase per year. Hope that's helpful.